Hello managers, welcome yet again to another episode of Fantasy Fire's Best 11 with Shadi. And in danger of missing out on top 3 finish, Al Nassr will travel today to the relegation threatened Al Oqdoud for round of 31 of the Saudi Pro League. And in terms of form, Al Nassr have 2 wins and 3 losses in the last 5 games, while Al Oqdoud on the other hand have won 2, drawn 2 and lost 1 in the last 5 matches. Looking at the head-to-head, Al Nassr are the favorites to win today, as they have won all of the 3 head-to-head games against Al Oqdoud. So I'll be playing a 3-5-2 formation today with Paulo Vita in goal, because I believe Al Nassr's attack will be more active today, and Vita will accumulate more points than Bento, mainly from the saves. For my defense, I'll be playing 3 of Nawaf Bouchel, Al Ghanam and Mohamed Simakan. In this defense, you have to keep an eye on Nawaf, who has got 2 goals and 3 assists in the Saudi Pro League this season. For my midfield, I'll be playing 5 of Sadio Mane, Marcelo Brozovic, Musona, Xavier Godwin and Ayman Yahya. In this midfield, you have to keep an eye on Sadio Mane, who has got 9 goals and 10 assists in the Saudi Pro League this season. Finally, up front, I'll be playing 2 of Cristiano Ronaldo and Osman Bari. In this forward, Ronaldo is the one to watch, as he has scored 23 goals and provided 3 assists in 28 league appearances this season. So I'll be playing Ronaldo as my captain and Sadio Mane as my vice captain today. Good luck, managers.